How to log in Prime Video with another account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into Prime Video with another account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into Prime Video with another account, maybe because you're already logged in and you want to log out and log into another account, open up the Prime Video app, then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, then again tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. From here, just keep scrolling down a bit further below and you will see all these sorts of options right here. So what you want to do is you just want to tap on the My Account option and then just tap on Sign Out here. Once you tap on Sign Out, you'll be able to successfully sign out, and once you sign out, you'll be able to log into another Amazon or Amazon Prime account. This way you should be able to log into another account on Prime Video. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.